Alright guys, welcome back and for today's video, meron tayong special guest. Ayun, hi guys, this is Bill yon, si Frenchie natin, isang French Bulldog. And again, update tayo regarding dun sa open trade natin with GBP Yen. So the pound yen, take note guys, this is a demo account so we're not trading live account or real money. So I held this position over the weekend. So last Friday, so ngayon, Monday, then Tuesday, and Wednesday na ngayon. Still open and still profit, pero tingnan nyo gaano ka galaw ng market. Ayun, no? Ilang araw pa lang, we started here, 1, 2, 3. Was trending up, then nagkaroon ng black na candle today. Grabe. Imagine that. Ganyan ka, galaw ang market ng Forex. No? Zoom lang natin.